What'd she do with it?
Okay, let's go. So just to look out. Did I tell you to whistle if you saw something? No. No, you were not the lookout. How are things going in the romantic lit department? All right, that department's been shut down. It's just returning a pen. Really? Yes, really. He's very picky about his pens. I borrowed one last week, so I thought that I would return it. What's his brand? Hello, third degree. It's a Fisher ballpoint pen with a custom nib. Did I pass? The correct answer was, I don't know, it's a stupid pen. You still love him. Whether I do or I don't, I'm just trying to figure things out with Jake. Okay, so let me help you. You like Jake?